Hey guys, today I'm installing an integrated taillight on my 2017 Honda Grom. It's almost a plug and play, but only because I want to leave the number plate light, I have to do some extra work. It's all simple work, it requires electrical work though. I've never tried anything like this before, so not because of the product, but because of my clumsy hand, it'll take some time and effort. But for you, it has to be easy. First of all, remove the seat and identify the brake and turn signal wire. The turn signal wire and fender right are binded to one connector. Now get the 10mm socket to remove the taillight. Also disconnect the brake wire and there's a couplable wire retainers. Now the taillight is free to come out, easy and nicely. Sometimes not. Now in with the new, out with the old. This white harness is for brake. The other two yellow wires are for turn signals, one for right, one for left. Now to get rid of the stock turn signal, you've got to remove the fender, because the fender eliminator I ordered is not delivered yet. So I have to keep the stock fender, 4-wire at least. To take what I dropped out, I wasted so much time. Don't make the same mistake I made. Please be careful. Finally, I successfully got rid of this stock turn signal from the fender. Now let's test it out. The right is good. That's a good sign. Now test the turn signal. It doesn't work. The other side. It doesn't work either. What's wrong? The brake works perfectly, but the turn signal doesn't work. Okay, what's wrong with it? Oh, I forgot to connect it. Okay, let's try it again. Now, seriously, test it out. Right's on. Brakes on. Turn signal is on. Finally. Check it out. It works perfect. Now it's time for cable management. I used the housing from the stock turn signal that is no longer in use.